Hi everyone, let's look at fraction in its simplest form. What is fraction in its simplest form? It is when the numerator and denominator cannot be divided by any number except 1. We have learnt about equivalent fractions. We know that the equivalent fractions of half is 2/4, 3/6, 4/8, and 5/10. In its simplest form, 2/4, the simplest form of 2/4 is half. The simplest form of 3/6 is half. The simplest form of 4/8 is half. And the simplest form of 5/10 is half. We can find simplest form by simply dividing the numerator and the denominator. For example, 2/4. If I divide 2/4 by 2 for the numerator and 2 for the denominator, I would get half. The simplest form of 4/8. If I divide by 2, I would get 2/4. However, 2/4 is still not in simplest form. I still need to divide further, and I would get half. Alternatively, for 4/8, I can divide by 4. So 4 divided by 4, 8 divided by 4, I would get half. Can you see a relationship between this? Yes, because 2 times 2 is 4. Right? So I can straight away get 4 divided by 4 to give me 1. For denominator, 8 divided by 4 to give me 2. Let's look at another example. 12/18. So I divide by 2, I will get 6/9. I divide by 3, I would get 2/3. So 12/18, in its simplest form, I can divide by 6. I would get 2/3. Why don't you try these 3 sums? And we shall discuss the answer in class tomorrow. Find the simplest form of A, 6/10, B, 9/12, C, 8/20. What is fraction in its simplest form? It is when the numerator and the denominator cannot be divided by any number except 1. Goodbye.